Hi everyone, here we've got HUAWEI MatePad T10s, and let me show you how to enable the TalkBack mode on this device. So actually right now I've got the screen reader mode on, so this is the best situation to show you how to turn it off if you've accidentally applied it, and then I will show you how to customize it, of course. So first of all, let me show you the basics of the screen reader mode and how to swipe and how to navigate. So first of all, in order to enter, for example, the settings, we have to tap on it. You'll see a green frame and of course hear the feedback from your device, and then double tap to enter. As you can see, here we are in the settings, and in order to turn off the TalkBack we have to scroll down, and we can do it by using 2 fingers, just like that. It's quite easy. Let's find accessibility features. They are right here, so let's tap on it. You'll see a green frame and then double tap. Here we are in accessibility features, so let's tap on accessibility and double tap. Here we've got the screen reader, so tap on it, double tap, and to turn it off we have to tap on the switcher. So tap on it, double tap, tap on OK, and double tap. And as you can hear, the screen reader is off. So I promised you that I will show you how to customize this mode, so let's tap on more settings. And as you can see here, we've got some settings which we can customize. So here, for example, you can decide if you want to feel the vibration feedback. You can set the sound feedback volume, touch exploration, or you can set the gesture. So let's tap here. And as you can see here, you can decide what you want to do after swiping left then right, right then left, up then left. A lot of options actually to customize. Simply tap on the option, and here you've got some settings to choose from. Let me get back, and actually this is how to customize the screen reader settings. Let me get back again. Of course, if you want to turn on the screen reader, just tap on the switcher right here, and now your device is telling you that it needs to observe your actions, retrieve we know content, turn on explore by touch, observe the text that you type, and control display magnification and perform gestures. So if you are ready, let's tap on OK, and then the screen reader will be on. But let me get back. What's more, if you will turn on the screen reader for the very first time, it will open also the tutorial, so you will be able to go through it and actually learn all of those things which I've just shown you. So actually that's all. This is how to use the TalkBack mode in your HUAWEI MatePad T10s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.